It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm at a hotel and I'm feeling inspired to do my first lunar cut. I've been following the lunar calendar for years, like when to get a haircut. And today is a day where it would be good for thicken. It's a full moon outside. It's April 6th, I believe, almost April 7th. I'm gonna try my first lunar cut. I've always gotten it cut on the correct day, but I'm gonna actually try to do it myself. And if I understand it correctly, you're supposed to just part it the way it wants to part naturally, grab a section, I guess just cut, boom, cut, cut. Oh yeah, and I'm using the blunt slip snip method. Like, I'm going directly across blunt snip. I'm not like, there's no angle cut. So I think that's it. I think you just section it off, grab a section, pull on it, and then snip. I believe that's just actually kind of it. I've been using henna a lot recently, the blonde henna, and this is kind of the color now. I like it. I guess that's my first lunar cut. We'll see how it turns out tomorrow.